Okay, Kaylee, so let's go ahead and plot this data in Excel, and it's a plot graph instead of so a plot scatter is where you want to go. So go ahead and select your data, and let's input that into
1, 4,
A and B columns.
5, 20. Copy selection to clipboard.
Now, if you're going to copy two columns like that, when you open Excel, make sure you select A and B in order to paste it in, okay? Okay.
Menu. T. Internet. Enter. Leading menus. Cancel button. To activate, press spacebar. Please wait. Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel. Book 1. Select. B1.
It's better to go too far if you forgot how to count. If you forgot how to count how many rows there are, just go, more than you know it is.
Select. Select.
That's probably good.
Pasted from clipboard. Microsoft Excel dialog data on the clipboard is not the same size and shape as the selected area.
Yeah, and just paste anyway. Yeah. Now, what it won't do is if you would have under-selected, it would have given you an error box and just said you couldn't do it. So it's always better to over-select, and then it says, hey, you've selected too many. Do you still want to paste the data? You just say yes. Okay, so your data is still selected. Do you remember how to go up and do a scatter plot graph?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and do that.
Alt N. Ribbon. Up ribbon. Formulas tab. D. Leading menu bar.
Okay, so you accidentally went to formula. So let's try that again. Alt N to insert, and just be very careful with your computer. There you go.
Tab. To change with D. Lower ribbon. Sharp group box. Scatter group box. Scatter group box. Scatter with only markers grid. Enter. Leading menu bar. Ribbon.
Okay, nice. Okay, so now we need to go ahead and insert information, your titles, your X, and your Y. So let's hit Alt, and we're going to go up to your layout. J to your layout. Now your chart title, remember these are all in a row, so T for your chart title.
T. Lower ribbon. Labels group box. Chart title group box.
Now when you go down arrow, remember we don't want to do overlays. We want to always do it above the chart. So find above the chart.
This box centered overlay type. This box above chart. 3 of 3. Tab. Leading menu bar.
Okay, so type your title.
1. N U M B R space O F space W R N D S space R N H O U S E S. Enter.
Good. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put your Y in. So hit your Alt again, and let's go up to your layout. J A, good. And your axis titles are going to be I.
To navigate the current grid, I menu lower ribbon labels group box. Menu group box.
Okay, so the first one is primary horizontal, so that's going to be your X. So let's go ahead and do that. So right arrow and listen to your choices.
Ribbon, labels group box, menu group box.
Well, we either have none, so down arrow till we want title below axis. Enter.
To move through the enter.
Okay.
1. A1.
I believe it's number of windows, is that right?
N U M B R space O F space W R N O W S. Enter.
And now let's go ahead and do the same command again. Alt J A I for your axis title, and let's do the vertical.
I menu primary vertical axis lower ribbon.
Now we do want it rotated. Down arrow, that's typically the way teachers want it. So down arrow wants to rotated title.
Title.
And enter.
Enter.
Okay, and go ahead and type the axis title. Quickly Alt Tab back and just cheat. Number of windows. Oh, the bottom one was number of houses. Let's make it number of houses then. They don't care if the data switched. They don't know. Okay, number of houses. No, I got to repeat the sentence because I need a clean edit field. So back over number. Okay, go ahead and type the number of houses.
N U M B R space O F H O F S.
Okay, beautiful, and enter.
Enter.
Okay, now we've always got a legend that hangs out, but we like a nice big graph, and unless the teacher requests a legend, let's get rid of that. So Alt J A back to your layout, and let's get rid of your layout or your legend. Yep. So your legend is L, and that's probably the only one that really makes sense.
Lower ribbon, labels group box, legend group box.
And none is always right at the top, so go ahead and just hit none on that.
Enter.
Beautiful. Okay, escape one time to get out of your title, and then copy that and paste it into Word.
Copy selection to clipboard. Alt tab, 1-1, bottom of 5.
Nice, and enter.
Pasted from clipboard.
Excellent. Gorgeous.
New.